Hey, badass business owner. In today's video, we're going to talk about a partnership that every single one of you should make if it makes sense for your business. I'm going to assume you want to increase your sales. And what if I told you if you just make 2 to 3 really good, solid relationships with this particular individual, you are going to see your sales start to take off. So who is this magical person? Well, it is a real estate agent. Now, let me explain to you why. There are 4 great reasons why you want to partner up with real estate agents. First and foremost, real estate agents make recommendations all day long. There is a reason why a realtor is the #1 networking partner in any networking group. Let's think about this. They're either buying a home or selling a home. So the first time they need your services is when they're getting that home ready to sell, because they've got some unfinished projects that need to be dealt with or some items in the home that need to be addressed. Then they find a buyer. The buyer does their inspection, finds even more things that need to be addressed. So then the realtor needs their partners again to be able to help take care of those items. And then once the home closes, guess what? The buyer moves in and they still need more referrals in order to be able to take the home to the level that they want. So there's 3 different opportunities during a sell that your services will be needed and the real estate agent is going to be referring you out. Reason number 2 is real estate agents get requests all the time for who they recommend for these services. Just today alone, I was asked who I recommend for pool services in our community. There is not a week that goes by that I don't get asked 2 or 3 times, who do I use for X, Y, or Z from another real estate agent. Real estate agents are always looking to each other for great referrals because at the end of the day, a real estate agent wants to know that their clients are going to be well taken care of. And if another real estate agent that they respect has somebody that they rely on, then they want to know who their person is so they can use them as well. Reason number 3, real estate agents are some of the most loyal people in the world. We don't want to have to go out and try to find new people every time we turn around. We want to know that our guy or our gal can take care of the problem, whether it's cleaning, landscaping, pools, whatever it is, painting, you name it. We refer all kinds of stuff out there. And we want to make sure that we can stay with the same person as long as possible because they take care of us and they take care of our clients. So it's another great referral reason for you. And reason number 4 is, guess what? Those people that they keep referring you to, those sellers and those buyers and those agents, they will continue to use you as well. Because if you go in there and you do a fantastic job, it's like the gift that keeps on giving. So it's not just the original referral that that agent gives you. It's the fact that that referral can turn into multiple referrals and multiple jobs down the line. And by the way, if you have a brick and mortar business, don't rule yourself out. How many times is a buyer coming from out of the area and asking that agent who the place to go to for their nails? Who should they go to for their cleaners? Who should they go to for their kids? Who should they go to for this, that, and everything else? Real estate agents are making referrals all the time. So don't miss out on this great partnership that you can have with a real estate agent because they're like a tree trunk. Okay. They're the tree trunk and all their branches are all the different referrals that they give out to different people, whether it's their clients or other agents. And then from there, there's more branches to those clients and those clients continue to use you. And guess what those clients are going to do if you're taking care of them? They're going to refer you to their friends and family as well. So that one agent can be a plethora, tons of business for you with a lot of different other folks using your business. Don't get me wrong. Real estate agents can be a pain in the keister at times. We want it and we want it yesterday. All right. Maybe not me because I do try to plan ahead, but there are a lot of agents that are going to ask you to do bids and maybe not give you that business. But here's the thing. What you're banking on is the fact that, yeah, you may not win every bid, but if an agent is giving you 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10 of those jobs, that can be very profitable for you. And it's just part of doing business like you do with anybody where you go out and you bid your work and you may or may not get the job. Real estate agents are going to have the same problem. Are there pain in the butt real estate agents who fail to follow through on what it is they do? Absolutely. Dump them. After that, get rid of them. But what you're looking for, like I said, are those 2 to 3 to 5 really strong ones that are going to continue to be ongoing referrals for you and keep your business going. It's a wonderful thing. I've watched people blow up their business. They've shown up on our doorsteps with just starting their business off, and not just 6 months later, they have more business than they can handle. And here's the thing. What I want you to do to get in touch with these real estate agents is I want you to do a couple different things. One, you need to introduce yourself to every real estate agent that you come across. Stop at every open house, drop off your card, talk to them, say hi, go to real estate offices, introduce yourself to who's there. Grab the business cards that are sitting on the counter, email them, let them know about you. Here's the thing, 2 key points to get your foot in the door. One, they probably already have somebody. Remember earlier when I said they're very loyal people? What you want to do is say, hey, I want to be your number 2. I know you probably already have someone that you love to use. Just keep me in mind, because sometimes your number 1's not going to be available, and I'd love to be able to step in and show you what I can do. Go in shooting for number 2, not for number 1. They're more likely to listen to you if you want to be a backup person. The second piece of advice is you got to tell them, and then tell them again, and then tell them again. It's not uncommon for you to just pop by once every few weeks or once a month and let them know about yourself. My pool guy, I probably saw him 2 or 3 times stopping by our office, and then one day he showed up, and I was in need of a new pool person, and you know what? Everything opened up, and he became my guy at that moment. Took great care of my customers, went above and beyond, and he's been my pool recommendation ever since then. So I'm telling you, so you want to go meet these people, get in front of them, go to network events, go to open houses, their offices, get their cards, do emails to them, whatever it takes, shoot for their number 2. Listen, real estate agents can be a great opportunity for you to have your business take off. They can lead to all kinds of referrals. They are like that tree trunk, like I said, and they are a fantastic way for you to be able to take your business to the next level. So if you want to find a way to blow up your business, maybe to double it, to expand into a whole new way, and if you have the opportunity to serve people in their homes, then you want to make sure that you connect with a real estate agent. It's going to be an excellent opportunity for you to take your business to that next level.